guys, welcome back to Unicorn Poop. Today we are playing a slime game. That's really gorgeous. Scroll. Oh, see that? Like, call it. I don't know what. I didn't have time to read it. But wow, that's really pretty. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Just gorgeous. I love this color. I mean, this texture. Scroll. Just see. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm doing a candy. Trying to find a pink. Got it. Crack my knuckles. Oh, this is looking gorgeous. I love the shimmer to it. Let's see, candy. Sprinkles. Okay. Maybe. I might change it later. Other candy. You know what? Let's see. I'm actually not liking the sprinkles. I'm gonna go back. I took away the sprinkles. Yeah, I'm adding these like candy twist. Then I'm gonna add the lollipops. But first I wanna see if there's any color, another color. No, it's just that color. All right. Okay, this is looking really cute. Lollipops. Oh, you could change the color of the lollipops. So I'm just gonna keep it to match the twisties. So it's yellow, blue, pink, because the twisties are yellow, green, pink, but there's not a green. So let's name it Candy Slime. Oh, trying to swirly. That's just really gorgeous. All right. Try to get the money. Woo! I don't know what that did, but that did something. I looks like I got some coins. All right, guys. Hey, guys. I'm back. Making a new slime. I know what I'm gonna do. You guys are gonna be so surprised. So surprised. I'm doing. I like it. All right. Mix it. Ooh, I like that. Let's see. Where's the dog charm? Right, there it is. Dog charm. Okay, I think you guys guessed it. I'm doing a pet slime with dogs and cats. All right, now we're gonna do the cats, if you can find them. Cats. Found them. I don't like that color, so I'm just gonna change it. Raw quick line. No, the red is too bright. I understand that, but why did they add the red? I just want neutral colors. So I just decided to do this one. All right, we made this slime. Let's name it Pet Slime. Pet Slime. I love it. I'm doing, if you guys don't know what I'm doing this. Like that to slime. It's just really satisfying. I love this texture. You can see my feet in the background. Woo! Shake it, stop. Shake it, stop. I'm doing that to show that my feet. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do the rest of this slime with y'all. Woo! I don't know what I'm doing yet for this one. Actually, I just got a good idea. You guys are gonna be so surprised at what I'm doing, but as you saw before, I didn't show y'all, but I did ice cream texture, and I'm doing pink. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm doing like a dark pink, not dark pink, but like strawberry ice cream pink. Does that give you a clue? That lady just gave it away. Okay, yes, I'm doing strawberry ice cream slime. Strawberries, and then I'm gonna add the ice cream one after. I know there's an ice cream one. There has to be. Like if there's not, what? Like if there's not, I'm gonna explode. There has to be. Yep, there it is. It has cupcakes in it though. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna change it to pink for the, you know, cause done. Made another slime. Let's name it strawberry ice cream slime. Yes, I did say it because I did say it in the voice thing because I didn't want you. I didn't want to waste your time. I can't say slime, and I usually say slime. Just trying. Yeah, it's not gonna work, girl. No. Let's just leave it. Strawberry ice cream. You know, that's how good as it's gonna get, and it's pretty cute. Ah, I love it. I just can play with it. Why do I look like I'm about to fall asleep with my eyes open? The camera. It's just so satisfying. I just want to squeeze it for real. All right, guys. Heart you. Hope you enjoyed this. Peace. Love y'all. And bye. Woo.